Oh, hi, Big Bird. You want to know what I'm doing?
Well, now that you ask.
I'm listening to an opera.
Opera? What's that?
Oh, it's kind of a story, only with music. And instead of talking, people always sing to each other.
You mean they sing just to say any old thing?
Yeah. Oh, listen, this is a really beautiful part.
Gee, I wonder what it would be like if people on Sesame Street always went around singing to each other. Where are you going, Susan?
Oh, hi, Big Bird. I'm on my way to work.
Gee, I hope you make somebody feel better.
Me too.
What are you doing, Maria?
Oh, just fixing this old chair.
I see. Well, don't mind me. Just keep doing what you're doing. Hello, Barkley. Sure looks like everybody's doing something today.
Oh, hi, Big Bird. Do you want to know what I'm doing?
Well, now that you ask.
I'm listening to a talk show.
A talk show? What's that?
It's a show where people talk to each other.
You mean they just talk instead of singing?
That's right. That's right.
Gee, I wonder what it would be like if people went around talking to each other instead of singing.
Stop imagining and you'll see.
Okay, I think I will.
Well, Big Bird, what did you think?
Well, I thought it was very interesting. Okay, it's your turn. Say something else.
What do you mean, Big Bird?
Just say anything. I want to see what it's like when people talk to each other.
Big Bird, that's silly.
Well, why is that silly, Bob?
Because
Come on, it's your turn.
It's silly, Big Bird, because people talk to each other all the time.
Wow. You know, I think that's even more interesting than the opera.